Understanding ringing endorsement. Enhance your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you might have come across in books, news, or conversations: ringing endorsement. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it confidently in your own conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, ringing endorsement, is a powerful expression used to describe a situation where someone gives a very strong, enthusiastic support or approval for someone or something. The word, ringing, here doesn't have anything to do with the sound a bell makes, but it implies clarity and loudness, as if the endorsement could not be more clear or emphatic. Imagine someone asking if you think a book is good, and you answer with such passion and assurance that there's absolutely no doubt about your positive opinion. That's a ringing endorsement. The term, ringing endorsement, comes from the idea of making a statement that resonates or rings clear, much like a bell that can be heard distinctly. Over time, it has become a common way to express strong support or approval in various contexts, from recommending a product, to endorsing a candidate in an election, to praising a friend's skills. Using ringing endorsement in your conversations or writings adds a level of intensity and conviction to your opinions. It tells your audience that you are not just supporting something, you are doing so wholeheartedly and without any reservations. To help you better understand how to use ringing endorsement, let's look at some examples. The teacher gave a ringing endorsement to the new educational software, praising its effectiveness in improving students' engagement. After trying out the new restaurant, I can give it a ringing endorsement. The food and service were exceptional. The best-selling author received a ringing endorsement from the critics, with many calling her latest novel her best work yet. Notice how in each example, the phrase elevates the statement from just a simple approval to an emphatic and enthusiastic recommendation. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origins, and usage of the phrase, ringing endorsement. We hope this video has illuminated this expressive phrase for you and that you feel more confident in using it in your own English conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words but understanding the nuances that make it such a rich and vibrant language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depths of the English language.